It's an open message for Senator Robert Menendez. My name is Maximo Gomez IV, Dr. Maximo Gomez Nacer. I was working at Columbia University for 4 years and was one of the doctors selected to do residency training, postgraduate medical training, during the times of the compassionate agenda of President George W. Bush. Asking you respectfully for this way, I decided to use these open ways to ask you respectfully to help us to improve the quality of the medical services. That's one request, and to use me as a tool to actually do my best, humanly speaking and humbly speaking, as a human that cares about other humans, to go into the hospital and finish my residency training. In 2002, when I was doing my training, I was exposed to a number of situations that are totally unacceptable. And we are talking about the postmath of the September terrorist attack. And the realities, and some of my patients were exposed to something that cannot be accepted under no circumstances in America. For example, cutting the neck and exposing the patient for the rest of his life to probably psychotropic drugs, or using literally teratogenic drugs, trying to push me into accepting teratogenic drugs in a female African American patient, that I said, you don't have to take this. And some other patients were exposed to something that resembles in general cancer, but didn't have any of the features such as weight loss or lack of appetite or lack of energy, and therefore it should call for us to completely rule out infections first, and that was not what I was doing. Actually, I was not invited to a simple one autopsy in the whole year, which is a teaching hospital. I think they didn't even did the autopsies for most of these people that they were dying there. So the reality is that we have plenty of room to improve. I resigned because that was the only honorable solution, to resign. But these kind of things are going on in America. I said, I don't find any job. Let me go to the top. Let me go to another Cuban American who is our leader, and to explain what's going on and how we are going to fix this problem. Where is our moral authority to criticize Castro or any other dictator if we are going to be doing despicable things to the people that are most vulnerable in bed and asking for our help? So respectfully, sir, I ask you for your support to help me to go back into residence postgraduate medical training. I already had a postgraduate training contract at the time. The docket of even the director of residency training is public. It's a docket 10, it's 2010, CV civil case 04494 at the District of New Jersey. It came all the way to the circuit. I think we can even push it to the Supreme Court, but again, all the agencies come in the middle, and so that's a serious problem, because they can change the judges and they can actually literally cancel the outcome. As a process, a humble human being trying to do our best, it corresponds to a higher authority, you that is our leader, to actually help us to fix this problem. So this is all for now. I hope to talk to you soon. This is an open follow to the letter I submitted you, sir. Thank you very much for your leadership. I hope to talk to you soon, and we can start fixing and taking positive action to resolve this problem. Thank you very much.